Okay, good morning, and welcome to another boring video from at Hey Acre um, SolidWorks YouTube channel. So the question that I've had the most of recently is how do I use my title block if I am using someone else's computer that so I can't save templates to it. Okay, that'd be rude, right? So the answer is you don't use templates. You just open a empty drawing and start using it. So in a different video, we created that empty drawing, that title block, right? So the answer is we will go and open that title block, and once I open it, I have named mine just what it is, A ANSI landscape title block. Okay. But as soon as I open it, I want to save it the same name as what I am making a drawing of, because that's our part number, right? So I do a save as, and I start typing in my name. Okay. Oh, and well, we don't want to have, okay. So I have done a save as, because I'm going to do a drawing of this part. It is PJ123 underscore P23. I did a save as of my drawing sheet, PJ123 underscore P23. And so now I'm ready to insert the open document. Okay. And then this is where we insert it. We set our hidden lines shown, delete all these silly notes that SolidWorks puts in automatically. And let's see if we remove our tangent edges, if that's going to carry along. So once you have your first view the way you like, then you can project. So we go to projected views and we project. Okay. So is that a nice isometric? Yes. Are these great for what we want to show? Well, not necessarily, because what's important here this time? What's important this time is the top to be able to detail these holes and the bottom to detail those holes. All right. So with that thought, let's look at placing a different view here and see what we can do. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, let's not worry about that isometric. We can recreate all those views again. Is that a good view? Not necessarily. That one. We really want the length to go across our landscape, right? So I don't know that any of these are great. Okay, so time to learn a new trick. Let's open this part back up and let's look at it from the side. Okay, now I want to put it in my drawing where I see that view, right? I realize we're going a little beyond what I said this video was going to be, but this is a handy tool too. So we're going to create a new view, a new named view, and we're going to say new top. You can name it whatever, okay? But we just need this view, so that we come back over here, we can select new top. Bam. All right. And so we can project off of that. Actually, projected view. And then I'm going to project off of this view to get the bottom. projected view. Okay, so now I can see, I guess technically if we're just labeling the drawing, this would be considered a front view in this case, wouldn't it? But at any rate, we can see the drawing. Let's see what we want to project off of for our isometric. Projected view, Jesus, I didn't like that one much. Projected view, don't like any of these. Don't guess what we like is really what matters though, is it? All right, so we've got that. I guess I could have created that front view in the part and then projected each way off of it, but at any rate, it gives us what we need. So this one can have a custom scale because it does not get dimensions, so it really doesn't matter. Ooh, that's too small. All right. All right. All right. And now this gives us what we need to put our dimensions on. Okay. There you go. So we ended up doing two things unintentionally. We we opened our sheet format, which is not really a format, just our sheet, which is a drawing file that we had created. Mine was named A&C Landscape. Yours is named whatever it is, my drawing template, whatever you named it. And you do a save as, same name as the part you're getting ready to put on there, file name. Just make sure you delete the SLDPRT, the extension, in case you automatically click that. And then you start placing. So now we can save, and it's asking me, do you want to save everything? Say yes, I want to save all. And notice that everything came in automatically. Now what is the one thing we need to update on the drawing? The date. So for example, today I am doing this on that day. Okay. Material, finish, weight. Oops, looks like that would need to be edited a little bit for to fit in the block. We've done that on another video, so I won't worry about that in this one. And so everything came in automatically. Okay, and then we would start detailing. Anyway, that's all for this one. Let me know if there's anything else I can help you with. Have a great day, and I'll see you later.